Alright guys, how are we doing? So at the weekend I competed at the British National Cup, but before we look at my dives from that, let's have a look at this highlight from training. Not bad for a tall man, eh? Anyway, here's my 1 metre prelim and final. I kind of ran out of steam going into the final on 1 metre, but regardless, there are so many positives that I could take forward going into the summer. Like as I said in my day in the life video, it's not really about the mistakes that I made, it's about using those to build on in training in the future and carry the positives into the next competition. So there's loads of those, so I'm kind of content by what I did there. Anyway, next day we went straight into 3 metre, so here's my 3 metre prelim. Just like 1 metre the day before, I managed to get second in my 3 metre prelim. Then in the final I decided to throw on my Australia trunks because our coach in Leeds, AD, he's heading off to Australia soon to start coaching there. He's got a new job, so I decided to throw on the Australia trunks to recognise that. So here comes my 3 metre final. So in the final I achieved my pre-competition goal of going 400 plus points. That's kind of what I was going into nationals hoping to achieve, because it would kind of mirror what I'd been doing in training, so I achieved that and that was all good. But unfortunately this time around it wasn't quite good enough for a medal because all the other boys were doing really well. I've given myself a great platform to build on for the season ahead. My next competition is coming up in a couple of months' time, so back into training now and work on the things that need to be worked on to help improve my list to get ready for my next competition. But before I leave you, let's have one more look at this bad boy, because I was very, very happy with that dive. Let's hope I can do something like that in competition this year. Thanks for watching.